Hello, I am ROXX-A-MILLION, and you're watching Chop It Up. I am so excited, y'all. I told y'all I had a surprise for y'all. I got a surprise for y'all. I got a nice black box. See this box? This is a beautiful box. Don't get no better than this box. And I'm going to share with y'all what's in this box. This is a Glock box. Okay? So, in this box, we have a lock with a key. We got clips. We're going to say magazines, not the kind you read. And then we got the 43X. It's empty, y'all. Ain't nothing in it. It's empty, but it's so cute, isn't it? Ain't that beautiful? That's beautiful. Everybody need one. And if you're afraid of them, hey, it comes with important standard safeguards. Come with safety. So if you're afraid of, don't be afraid of this. Be afraid if you don't have this. And I want to give it up for American Rifle Depot, Richard, at 4699 Southwest 45th Street in Davie. And y'all can tell them ROXX-A-MILLION sent y'all, because this is where we got this beautiful piece from. And there ain't nothing wrong with having, you know, something to put in there just to make sure you're locked and loaded. You feel me? Man, it's a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. Remember this. Thoughts become things, so choose good ones. And also, be caught with, not without. This is not a public service announcement. This is standard law. Love y'all. Remember this. I wish every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and a whole lot of money.